Thanks for waking up with us here on Channel 5 News. You want some cold weather? Go up to Montana. Look how cold it is this morning. It's below freezing. 30 in Billings, 27 in Missoula. All of these temperatures are below normal. Then there's your cold front in that shade of green. And then you have temperatures that in some places are way above normal. What's most remarkable is up here. Green Bay, Chicago, Cleveland in the low to mid 70s. That's not that much cooler than we are. That is way above normal. They're looking at the possibility of record highs, and it's going to be warming up in more places in the northeast as well. In the mid-Atlantic region, there are going to be some record-breaking highs before this very slow-moving cold front finally comes in and cools things down. Now, this cold front actually not going to get here to the valley. But if you look way out, next Monday, Tuesday, there are some signs it's not even on the map yet, but another cold front will follow this one, and that will finally give us a break from the humidity and cool us down some. You can see that front on the radar imagery as well, and we're very concerned today about flooding. That's going to be the main story today, because for now, this front is stalled out. So it's going to stay hot over here, it's going to stay cold over here, and there's going to be a lot of rain in that transition zone. Not only is it a stalled out front, but it's pulling moisture from what's left of Tropical Storm Narda and pulling all that moisture to enhance rainfall amounts along the cold front. There's going to be flooding there. There's not going to be flooding here. Today's weather very similar to yesterday's weather, and that's going to be the case for many days in the days ahead. We're talking about isolated shower storms, a lot of the day dry, but eventually decent chance of seeing rain. When you look at the next 7 days, notice where there's going to be a lot of heavy rain. First off with this front, and then it's possible that the front could stall out again in parts of the northeast, bringing some more heavy rain. Notice that these rainfall totals not as high across the state of Texas. We're actually one of the better places in the state of Texas. But on average, what we're looking at is still more rain towards the coast and less out west. A lot of these rainfall totals, again, the shade of blue indicates a ½ inch rain, so maybe about 3/4 of an inch on average right along the coast, and probably less than a inch out in Starr County. That said, what the model is not going to show you are those in-between rainfall amounts. And I do think in isolated spots over the next 7 days, there will be 2-inch totals. But because it's spread out over the next 7 days, we're not worried about flooding, because the story is going to mainly be the same with, yes, there will be heavy rain around, but it probably won't last very long. There were certainly places in the valley that saw heavy rain yesterday, but only lasted about 10-15 minutes and went right back to being dry. And that's going to be the story again today. A lot of the day, just partly to mostly cloudy skies and pretty hot. But then you might get some rain, cool air. Not everybody will, but rain is going to be around again, and enough rain where you should carry that umbrella with you. And it's going to be breezy with gusts around 20 miles per hour. I don't think there's going to be as much rain tonight as last night. I still think a few showers will be around, but most of the night just partly cloudy, lows around 75. Tomorrow, more of the same. The story continues. Partly to mostly cloudy, maybe a degree cooler, 93, because we'll start a degree cooler in the morning. But the rain chance looks about the same, averaging about a 30% chance during the daytime hours. So today and tomorrow look the same. The rain chance does go up on Thursday. That little wave of low pressure we've been talking about still looks like it's going to come in here. Still looks like it's going to boost our rain chances. Friday looks like today and tomorrow. Then Saturday and Sunday, not much rain at all. I can't rule out a few showers, but it looks largely dry. Then on Monday, assuming that front starts to push in here, those rain chances go back up to something like today and tonight. And it also looks like Monday after day may be our next breezy day as well in your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Guys, back to you.